So the deactivate event is really similar to the activate event. Basically, whenever you click away from this sheet, a message or an action will happen, whatever you put in there. So instead of doing a message box, I'm getting bored with it, so I'm going to do something interesting. I'll show you what I do whenever I deactivate certain sheets, especially reports. Let's say you generate a report. In a specific sheet, you unhide it and you show it, and people can print it, look at it, whatever. But as soon as they click away, I want it to automatically hide itself. So what I'll do is use the deactivate event. So whenever they click away from the sheet, it'll go away for a little while. So let's hit Alt F11 and take a look. We can also right click here and look at the view code. So we're going to click Worksheet. We're going to go to Deactivate. By the way, these are in alphabetical order. So the Worksheet Deactivate. Now the reason we don't say active sheet dot visible equals false is because as soon as we click on this sheet, that will be the active sheet, and we don't want the new sheet to be invisible. We want the current sheet to be invisible. So we need to be a little more specific. So we're going to say sheets, and we're going to say the sheet called deactivate is the one that we want to make invisible. So input in parentheses. So sheets deactivate dot visible equals false. So let's see what happens. Let's put a stop marker right there. So I'm going to trigger this macro by deactivating that sheet by clicking any other sheet. Let's click on selection change. So I click there, and we've triggered it, and it's stopping and waiting for us. So sheets deactivate dot visible equals false. Let's hit F8. Look over here. Yes, it's hidden itself as soon as you click away from it. That's how to use the worksheet deactivate event. Let's just do that in full motion now. Let's go to unhide, double click on deactivate. So la la la, we're looking at a report. Woo woo, we're printing it. Yay. Now when I click away from it, watch what happens to deactivate. It just hides itself. And this one greets us with hello, welcome to sheet 2. So a lot of activity in VBA. So that's how to use the worksheet deactivate event.